the question why you're here exactly. So now I want to show you some tricks on how to make online. So I'm going to show you how you can make money online through doing some surveys by just answering questions, by just tapping, clicking, not answering, not typing. So but I'll still always remind you that this video is not for people who are in a rush. So if you're not ready to watch step by step, so I hope this video is not yours. But if you're ready to learn and watch and earn, then you just sit back and relax. You're going to take just like a few times. Now I would like you to remember that if you consider subscribing, you'll be receiving great information from me already. So let's get into it. Now there's a site which is called Rakuten, of course. I'll be linking to it later. Now this is what you need to do. You can go to that site and answer questions from there. You need to fill questions, and then you're given money every time you're sent invitations to answer a survey, and in the end you'll be getting money. They pay in dollars, and they pay via PayPal and many other sites and many other forms of payments. Now however this site could be, this is the site I'm talking about. This site could be, if you just sign up yourself, it can be hard for you to reach the required points such that you can cash out, because we usually cash out when you've reached at around 1,000 points, and it could be hard for you to reach that. But if I told you're invited by someone who is already there, it could be good, because me, for example, if I invite you and I'm having some good points there, because I've made withdrawals many times I've been withdrawing money from there, so I have many points there. So they immediately as immediately as I invite you, you automatically get part of my points. That's 50%, and that's around 400 points, and the rest you can get surveys start from 5 points to 4,000 points, and within 3 days you can get the required points, and you can get lots and lots of cash from here. Now all you need to do when you come to this site, all you need to do is to put your email and a password if I told you've just signed up, but if I invite you, then that could be very easy for you. Now all you need to do is to click login. I'm sorry about the noise in the background. I made this video when I was seated somewhere. Yeah, I'll remind you to consider subscribing to my channel. Help me reach that 1,000k subscribers. Yeah, so you're sent invitations as you're doing surveys. Now we have already logged into our account. Me, as I've told you, I've been doing surveys, and as you're seeing, I've already been invited to answer a survey where I'm going to earn 350 points. So I hope you're seeing that my balance is already 620, meaning that if I top up those 360 points, I'll be having 970 points. Okay, meaning I've just only remaining to a few, like one survey, I think in 3 to 4 5 hours I'll be getting another survey, of which I'll be just withdrawing my money from there. So you guys, I would like you to be earning this money. It's really crazy. It's just really crazy. I'm just, and then the next thing you need to do is just, when you're new, we've just come up here, you click basic profile and then detailed profile. Okay, and then you can introduce to your friend by just inviting. But however, I would like to tell you that when you're filling surveys, when you're filling questions for surveys, you need to consider some stuffs. Okay, you need to consider some stuffs. Okay, you need to consider some stuffs. One, your profile should be not biased. Like, you create a profile, could be virtual profile, it could be your real profile. Okay, but you make sure your profile can easily be remembered, and your profile should be, most times accounts which receive surveys are mostly the accounts which are luxurious. Mostly accounts for people who signed up and they say they do shopping, they do this. Okay, if you find that your profile doesn't do that, and then you need to figure out, you create your own profile virtually so that you can be getting surveys. Why people don't get surveys? Because they don't know that trick. The trick behind that, most people, most of these survey sites, like, they are given surveys, yes, and most of these companies are shopping companies, gaming companies, booking companies like booking.com, print companies. So these companies are always looking for surveys, how they can correct their issues. Now, if I told you want to invite, you can just type there the name of the person after he has accepted, and then plus the email address, and they will sign up through you. Now let's go to the other survey. Now you can do that survey and you get, and hope you guys will enjoy this video. Don't forget, if you've liked this video, you just click on my WhatsApp there, it will be in the link, and then you send me your email address or and your number. I'll invite you such that you enjoy my, hope you guys, you have enjoyed the video and they've liked it. So if you've liked it and you've liked to join in, you can go to the internet and search for AIP surveys or Rakuten sites, but you need to hustle to get some good points. But if you like to get lots and lots of surveys, and you need to be invited, so if you want to be invited, consider subscribing, and then you send me your email address plus your name by just considering through my Facebook, which I've linked below, and then WhatsApp, any of your choice. We meet next time in another video. So if you want to make money, consider subscribing. I'll be giving you how you can make money free as you're doing your work, as you're earning money. God bless.